Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams. There are several ways on how you can join, but mainly you can join by using the calendar right here on the app or on the web version. Alright, just click on the calendar. And once you see your particular meeting, just click on it and there will be a big join call button. Just click on it and you'll be good to go. Another option is by joining with an ID. Click on this one right here. And as you can see here, it says meeting ID and the meeting passcode. Just go ahead and open up your email and you will see the appointment. Just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see this one right here where it says Microsoft Teams. Join the meeting now or use the meeting ID. Just go ahead and highlight the numbers or type it down one by one. Right click on it and hit on copy. Go back to the Microsoft Teams app or the web version. Right click on it, hit on paste. Then a meeting passcode, of course. Copy it, right click, copy, then go back to Microsoft Teams, click, right click, and simply hit on paste. And once done, just go ahead and click on join meeting and you're good to go. Another one is by simply using the join the meeting button right here in the email. All right, for example, here I'm going to click this one and you will have two options. One is to join on the Teams app, which is this one right here. The second is just by simply continuing on the web browser version. All right, let's say for example here I'm going to continue with the Teams app. There'll be a pop-up right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here, open with Microsoft Teams, and hit on join now. If you are uncertain if your camera is working or your microphone or headset is working, as you can see here, my camera is turned off. If you want to turn it on, just go ahead and click on the slider right here. All right, and choose the background filters if you want to. All right, there are a lot of background filters right here. Once you have it all set up, make sure to turn this on or off and click on this slider right here to make sure that you're using the correct output and input. All right, once done, close this one and simply hit on join now. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.